Of East Texas. Let's take a look at the temperatures outside. Yeah, everyone kind of hanging out in the 40s now as the 30s are quickly being pushed away from the area thanks to the winds switching from out of the northeast to out of the southeast, and that's going to pump in more warmth as we progress throughout the day. That's not the only thing those south winds are going to pull in, though. Also notice the low milky gray color of clouds here stretching across central and southern sections of Texas. That's with the warm front that's lifting north, so we're going to see these clouds moving in throughout the day. Also some areas of patchy drizzle. Could even see a couple of spotty showers with those clouds to the south. And notice clouds moving in from the west as well along the I-20 corridor. So, yes, you can plan on more clouds throughout the day, but watch the temperatures. We're talking 40s here across the area this morning as that warm front lifts to the north. By lunchtime, we'll be seeing our temperatures climbing into the low 50s. And as we head into the afternoon, how about temperatures into the lower 60s? And we could see, again, some patchy drizzle or a couple of spotty light showers throughout the day. Not a washout by any means, just a couple of nuisance showers kind of making their way through. But the temperatures, watch what happens from the afternoon Friday into your Friday night and Saturday morning. We're talking temperatures rising into the upper 60s. So we'll actually reach our high temperature just before midnight going into tonight. And then the clouds and some scattered showers will be possible on your Saturday as temperatures climb into the 70s ahead of our strong Arctic cold front. That Arctic cold front will blast through the area by the evening hours. Look at the temperatures falling into the lower 40s behind that front and quickly down into the 30s. And yes, if there's any leftover moisture that's hanging around behind this cold front as that Arctic air moves in, it kind of typically acts like a wet rag to help wrings out or squeeze out any extra moisture, and that could allow for a couple of snow flurries or a few sleet pellets to develop in some of that cold air. And then by morning time, we're all talking about the cold as that moisture moves out. But let's go ahead and get this out the way. Yes, Saturday night, a chance of a few sleet pellets or snow flurries. Best chance will be from the I-20 corridor and points to the north, Gilmer, Mount Pleasant, Mineola, Canton. And again, we're only talking a 20% chance. This is not going to be a big deal. It won't amount to anything, and we're talking maybe a flurry or a sleet pellet flying through the sky. That's it. But still, something to talk about there, so I wanted to make sure I mentioned that. 70s going on for us Saturday afternoon ahead of that front. By Saturday night, yeah, we're already in the 30s across the area, and when you wake up Sunday morning, we're well down into the 20s across most of East Texas, and we don't rebound much. We're talking struggling to get above freezing Sunday afternoon for a high, and it will feel like spring Saturday afternoon with those 70s. But by the time you head up and wake up Sunday morning heading to those church services, it goes from feeling like 70s to feeling like the single digits to lower teens across the northern half of the region, with wind chills staying in the teens and 20s throughout your day on Sunday. So gear it up. It's going to be an Arctic blast that is what we also call in Texas a blue norther, because temperatures are going to drop some 40 to 50 degrees within less than 12 hours across the area from Saturday night heading into your Sunday morning. So just brace yourselves. A major change this weekend.